You want to try some mofongo? You know, like Jessie said, le falta sazón. I mean, it's a very different flavor, different, like, it's a different culture. Like. So, I stopped at this Puerto Rican restaurant called Soul Food, and that is actually the restaurant that Bad Bunny actually went to.
A Puerto Rican restaurant in Santa Fe was surprised when famed rapper Bad Bunny showed up for dinner along with his entire entourage.
He was here for his concert, so like back in like September. Since I was coming back from San Francisco, I decided to stop by there and get some of the food that he got there. And I've actually been to that restaurant before, and I didn't want to stop in there and eat, so I brought the food home. From what I read in the article, it says that he got the mofongo with shrimp, so I ordered the mofongo with shrimp.
Bad Bunny walk in, it just goes crazy.
The singer ordered mofongo, mashed plantains with olive oil and sauteed shrimp.
So I'll show you guys. It all comes in little containers, so it's not like prepared and stuff, but it's technically like a whole meal. So it came with the side of lettuce. So the lettuce is in here, the sauce on the side, and then mofongo, which is like plantains, and some avocado. So I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of like set it up. I'm not gonna lie, this mofongo looks so weird, but what it is, it's technically like plantain. It looks like, oh god, I dropped it. From what I read on the menu, it's like mashed plantains with garlic. So obviously, like down in Puerto Rico and like Cuba and like Dominican Republic, they eat a lot of plantains. So they're different than bananas. I don't think I've ever had the plantains. And then this is like the shrimp sauce. So it comes with like some big ass shrimp. Let me see how big they are. They're supposed to be, so this is a shrimp. There's like 3 of them, so they're huge. Oh my god, I shouldn't have done that. It's not the prettiest, but it smells good. It kind of reminds me of like Indian food. If you guys ever had Indian food, kind of looks like that. I'm not gonna put the salad around here because it's not gonna fit. This is actually really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and try. So I'm gonna go ahead and try the mofongo. So it's right here. It's kind of like soaking up the sauce of the shrimp. And I warmed it up, so it should be good. It smells really good. I mean, it doesn't taste bad. It literally just tastes like mashed potatoes, but not as creamy. The sauce is pretty good though. It has a lot of garlic, but it's really, really good. Jessica, you want to try it? Sure. And then I got some plantains with garlic, so they're just like toasted plantains. Pretty bready.
What?
These are good.
What is this supposed to be?
This is mofongo.
No, like what's inside it?
It's supposed to be, from what I read in the menu, it's supposed to be shrimp. So this is a shrimp. And it's like mashed plantains with olive oil and garlic. What do you think?
It's a little dry.
It is a little dry, but it's not bad. I got stuck in the wrong pipe. Le falta sazón. Batería de reggaeton. Just kidding.
It does though.
I not really. I feel like it definitely has a lot of garlic taste.
This is kind of good.
This is good. This is good. I like it. I like it. This is pretty good.
No, I don't want that. I want that.
This?
No, I just want to try it again. Not that. So there's supposed to be plantains inside.
The mashed thing is plantains. This is also a plantain.
This kind of like dry mashed potatoes.
It's not It doesn't give you the taste of banana, huh? It doesn't taste anything like banana.
Never would have thought this was banana.
It's just I would say like more plain. There's not a lot of flavor to it. I feel like that's why you kind of soak it up in the sauce. And it kind of like soaks up the juices of the sauce. But it has a very strong like garlic flavor. It's good. You know, like Jessie said, le falta sazón. I'm gonna see what my brother thinks. He's also kind of picky. The lettuce. Oh, there's a sauce in here. What is this? It's like a little sauce for the lettuce. Garlic? Butter? I think this is. Tastes like lemony with butter.
He's coming.
You wanna try some mofongo? You wanna try the mofongo?
Yeah.
Do you know what that is?
This is like a plantain ball.
It is a Puerto Rican dish. So it's plantains with pretty much the sauce of the shrimp. This is what Bad Bunny ordered when he came to the restaurant. Try it and then tell me what you think.
Like
I forgot, what is this?
So this right here is smashed plantains with garlic and oil, or like olive oil, and then the sauce of the shrimp and the shrimp is like, I don't know.
You should have
It said-
told him. You should let him guess.
What, I don't know, what does that say?
Criollos.
I don't know. I think it just means shrimp, right? Tell me what you think. And then you can try just the plantain with garlic and butter, I think. Oh, I forgot there's a sauce too. What do you think? The sauce is pretty good, right? I feel like it just needs to soak up the plantain needs to soak up the sauce a little bit more. It kind of tastes like, this tastes like garlic and habanero. Sorry, I'm eating with my fingers. And then I got this mango ponche. Actually, I really like this. Jessica didn't like it. It tasted sour to her. But it's really good. You want to try this? Try it. It's supposed to be like a lemonade with mango. Like a mango tea.
Oh, I've tried this.
You tried it before? You like it?
Lemonade.
What do you think of the dish though?
Yeah. I didn't like that ball.
The plantain here, I like the plantain. But they taste good like that, don't they?
Are these verde?
No.
Maduro?
Those are, what is the difference between verde and maduro?
The green ones are more bitter. Maduros are like sweet.
Oh, no, these are tostones.
Oh, okay, that's a mouth.
Oh, so what? So it's not plantains?
No, it is, but it's like
It's just
prepared
toasted, right?
differently, I guess. I don't really like them. And I usually love plantains.
You don't like those? Which ones do you prefer though? The sweet ones?
Yeah, 100%. Sweet ones are so good.
I mean, it's a very different flavor, different, like, it's a different culture. Like, we're Mexicans, so we're more used to, like, what would you say, like, spiciness? More,
Well, it's like tropical food.
and this is more tropical, yeah. Not spicy at all. Like, I think a lot of Puerto Ricans don't eat a lot of spicy food.
You must not grow them. They must not have a lot of chile there.
Oh,
Or
maybe.
any. So sweet, like pineapple and shit.
I mean, I don't hate it. I feel like this tastes really good. Did you try it with this? No, there's.
Yeah, it's
It
good.
has like a little habanero.
Mm-hmm.
I should ask my dad if he wants to try it. So ya lo medio picamos, pero es plantains smashed up in aceite y what else did I say? Like garlic maybe, and then shrimp y una sauce. Y luego si quieres probar esto. Jessica dice que le falta sazón.
Ah, pero ya con eso se...
Con la de esta da, como que con la de esta le da un poquito más sabor.
¿Pero es para poner sobre encima o para picar?
Ya, y también viene con un aguacate que se me olvidó que echarle. Ya probó
Me
uno de
parece
estos.
como un tamal.
Le da like it kind of like prueba esto. This is just like a tostado plantain. Like a dry, well not a dry, but like what are they called? Corundas. Una corunda with the sauce on top. Cause así era como se me quedaba. I'm pretty much still eating the mofongo. What did it called? Mofongo? No. Mofongo. Oops. I'm still eating the mofongo. I feel really full because I had calamari a while ago, so I'm not even gonna finish the whole thing. I'll save it for later. But I actually, like, I don't hate it. I feel like the sauce is pretty good. But I do agree with my sister. I do feel like it needs a little bit more sazon. Like, it's missing, like, something. Maybe it's just the spiciness that I miss. Like, the sabor of chiles is probably what it is. But if you guys ever go to, like, a Puerto Rican restaurant, like, what is it that you guys order? Whenever I go to Puerto Rican restaurants, and when I used to go to this restaurant with other family members, I would always order the same thing. I would always order the Cuban sandwich. And the reason I ordered the Cuban sandwich was because I've always wanted to try one because it just looks so good. So I went to the Puerto Rican restaurant and I ordered the Cuban sandwich, and I thought it was so fucking good. I thought it was really, really good. So when I go to a restaurant, I kind of just want to order the same thing over and over because I know it's good. Oh, and also I ordered this mango ponche, or I think it's just called Bonche. I really like it. I think it's really good. It's like mango tea with some lemonade. I like it. I would definitely get this again. Like, this one's a 10 out of 10. The mofongo, I would give it like a maybe like a 7 out of 10. Like, it wasn't my favorite, but I do like the sauce. It's just missing something. Like, it's just missing something. But I'll save that for tomorrow's breakfast. And I'm gonna put it in the little container that it came with, so that way it kind of keeps the shape that it had. And to be honest, I thought it was gonna look like this. I didn't think it was gonna come all separate. Maybe when they give it to you in the restaurant it looks a little different, but yeah. I just feel too full. I'm just gonna drink my drink. I really like this piqué sauce. Piqué. I don't know. I'm trying to like look to see what the name of this sauce is. This is really good. I like vinegary sauce. That's why I like pickles and stuff. So I like this, and it has a hint of habanero. Ooh, this is good. I remember this is what I would put in my Cuban sandwich, so I really do like this sauce. But yeah, if you guys are Puerto Rican and you guys are watching this, let me know, like, what's your favorite Puerto Rican food? That'd be awesome. I'll definitely would want to try it. Like, or if you're just a typical person that like goes to Puerto Rican restaurants, like, what do you guys order? Like, recommend stuff. You know, I get the Cuban sandwich. I tried the mofongo. Let me know what you guys recommend. But no, so yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and clean up my mess, and yeah, I'm pretty much done. I feel really full.